In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. By the end, you'll feel confident adding text directly into an existing text box inside Adobe Acrobat Pro, using a clear and simple workflow that keeps your document looking clean and professional. First, open your file in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Make sure you're actually working in the Pro version, since that's what gives you full editing capabilities for PDFs. Once your document is open on screen, take a quick moment to confirm you're looking at the right page and layout. This helps you focus on the exact area where you want to place your content and avoids any accidental edits elsewhere. Next, go to the top of your screen and select Edit in the menu bar. Choosing Edit switches Acrobat into an editing mindset and prepares the interface to let you work directly with the objects on your page. You'll notice that text and elements become selectable, and the application is ready to let you interact with the content rather than just view it. This is the cue that Acrobat is in the right mode for what you want to do. Now, click on the text box where you want to add your text. A text box will usually highlight with a boundary or handles when it's selected, and your cursor should appear inside the box. That cursor is your sign that you can begin entering content. Acrobat Pro typically tries to match the surrounding font, size, and spacing so your new text blends in with the rest of the document. If the box is part of a designed layout, keep an eye on line breaks and wrapping so your text stays inside the visible area and maintains consistent alignment with the existing content. If you click and nothing seems to activate, it may mean the area is an image rather than an editable text box, or the text hasn't been recognized as editable. In most cases, though, genuine text boxes respond immediately, letting you place the insertion point exactly where you want it. You might see formatting controls appear nearby. You can leave these alone to keep the document's style consistent, or simply note them for later if you're matching a specific look. That's the entire flow. Open your file in Adobe Acrobat Pro, select Edit from the top menu, and click the text box where you want to add your text. Follow these steps. Keep an eye on how the text sits in the layout, and you'll keep your document tidy, readable, and on brand.